Hello, I'm Anton Rezhenkov, and welcome to course Python 101 Unlock Programming Skills. I'm a scientist, teacher, and developer of programs for scientific calculation. My main specialization is chemistry and information technology. Main topics of this course is how Python works in web browser, the basics of Python programming language. You know more about functions, models, and control structures in Python. Of course, exceptions Python. In addition, dictionaries, lists, tuples, and other very useful operations in Python. This course is needed to students who beginners in programming, who willing to improve programming skills, and who wishes to learn a new programming language, Python, in addition other programming languages. And of course for students who are willing to improve their productivity and effectivity. Look inside the course. The course consists of lections. Of course, you have a link for codes and have a real program. There's no risk for this course because Udemy guarantee you money back in period of 30 days. Enroll now and start your adventure in the programming universe. Go, please.